Hi guys, we are from Makeitt. It's an IT startup oriented towards a nation young generation empowerment. And today I would like to tell you finding the same max of two values in a different manner. As a human being, it's very easy to say which one is max, and yeah, it can be done with another operator called conditional operator, which is a ternary operator. And here ternary means three arguments or three expressions. Yeah, if I observe, question mark colon is the symbol for it, used for ternary operator, and I got three expressions here, right? Expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. And how it is going to work means, whenever expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be returned to the variable, and whenever expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be returned to the variable. Yeah, that is how it is going to work. Yeah, I am telling it for one more time. Expression 2 will be stored to the left hand side variable only when expression 1 is evaluated to true. Otherwise, expression 3 will be stored to variable. That is how it is going to work. And I think still it is a little confusing or messy. So as to make this one clear, let me explain the same with an example. Okay, before getting into the example, let me tell you the flowchart of it. If expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be stored to the left hand side variable, and when expression 1 is false, expression 3 will be stored to the left hand side variable. Yeah, that's how it is going to work. It's something like a simple if else kind of thing only, but in a different way. It's a simplified version of if else. Yeah, let me explain this. Let me take some yeah, and let me pick a good color that is visible on this one. Okay, yeah, let me take this. For example, if I am going to find the max, if the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 5, yeah, whenever this is expression 1 and this is expression 2 and this is expression 3, this is expression 1, this is expression 2, and this is expression 3. Whenever 3 and 5 are compared, okay, with the greater than operator, then obviously 5 will be the maximum, which means this expression 1 is false, so b will be stored to max. That's how it is going to work. And if I take some 10 and 3, the other one, whenever these two are compared, this is true, this is true. So expression 1, this will be stored to max, which means in this case 5 will be stored, and in this case 10 is stored, or whatever might be the case, this max variable will be filled with the maximum of these two, the largest of these two. In the same fashion, if I take the same 3 and 5, if I perform a less than operation between these two, 3 is less than 5, true, true. So a is copied to minimum value. This is the logic for finding minimum. And yeah, if I take 5 and 3, the reverse. If I take 5 and 3, then 5 is less than 3, false. So 3 is minimum. Now this will be copied. Yeah, once again I am trying to explain this. This is expression 1, this is expression 2, this is expression 3. Whenever expression 1 is true, expression 2 will be returned to left hand side variable, or whenever expression 1 is false, expression 3 will be stored to left hand side variable. That's how it is going to work. Now let's talk about how to find the max of three given values using this conditional operator. So as to explain this, let me tell you some math linked with it. I am going to write something like here: if A is greater than B and A is also greater than C, then A is max. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then A is max. If A is not greater than B, then I have to compare these two. If B is greater than C, then B is max. Or when B is not greater than C, then C is max. That is the logic what you have to understand connected with it. It's very simple. When A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then print A as max. When A is not greater than B, then how to compare B and C? If B is greater than C, then B is max. And when B is not greater than C, then C is max. It's very simple. Let me try to explain this using some examples or using some small snippet. Yeah, watch this. A and B and A greater than C. Yeah, A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Whenever these two conditions are true, what is the meaning of it? A is greater than B and C. Then A is max. At that moment, A will be returned. A will be returned. And whenever this is failed, one is for sure. What is that? A is not the maximum, because it has failed. Here two conditions are failed. What is that? A is less than B, or A is less than C, or A is less than both B and C. Okay, there are three conditions actually. One thing is for sure which we can derive from this one is A is smaller. A is smaller. As this one is failed now, as expression 1 is failed, now the control goes to expression 3. Here what I am checking, when B is greater than C, then B is the maximum value, and whenever B is not greater than C, then C is the maximum value. This is one such what I can do. And whenever I am discussing about the same in one of my earlier classes, a student asked me that, sir, here we are using this logical AND operator, right? Can't we do only by using conditional operator? This was the question asked by him. And later I thought a while and I have derived some solution for it. Yeah, have a watch into that, guys. Yeah, here you can observe there is no AND operator. I have used only these conditional operators along with some comparison. Yeah, here watch, this is my expression 1, E1, this is my expression 2, E2, and this is my expression 3. Yeah, here also I got 3 expressions. And whenever this is true, when A is greater than B, then I am checking A is greater than C also. Whenever these two conditions are true, then A is max. Take the other case. When A is greater than B and A is not greater than C, then C is max. When this condition is false, now the control goes to this one, E3. Now B and C will be compared. When B is greater than C, then B is maximum, otherwise C. Yeah, that's how it is going to work. Yeah, in a single line I can write something like the maximum of three given variables or values using conditional operator. Yeah, that's all for this discussion, guys. And yeah, I'm leaving this coding part as an exercise. Why? Because I think I have already shown you how to write coding, the basic coding using some um, online C debuggers or C++ in one of my earlier videos. Just have a look into that and try to get what I have done here, and give a try, give a strong try that how to do this on your own. And if you are not able to do this, yeah, please post it in the comment section such that yeah, I will tell you the solution of how it could be done. Yeah, try all the possibilities, and these are some of our details like our contact number and mail IDs and the website, yeah, through which we can you can reach us. And yeah, this is one such organization that we have got collaborated. It's a mill app, a fundraising one, and we have collaborated with this organization for raising funds so as to provide the do it yourself kits for the schools, so as to make them, yeah, especially to government schools, so as to make the students interesting in their education, so as to provide some deep intuition about the concepts whatever they are learning, or we would like to make you to understand what about the practicality in education, why it is a damn needed nowadays, yeah, etc. A lot we are thinking and planning a lot. And as a part of it, we are also doing or hosting or maintaining this channel for making our life ambition to become true. Yeah, if you are connected and concerned with our discussion, yeah, please share, donate, or encourage us with by sharing this one with your family, neighbors, relatives, and yeah, anyone who knew. uh, yeah, that's all about today's session or video. Good day, bye, adios, bye.